Respect you must earn. Step up to the bumper, boy, it's your turn. She's on, you done already? But enough, not talking to you, Nettie. When I raise up, eat, drink, steady. Press the button. Press my button. It's your body. You're only right. Boy, good. You're better, though. It's your body. Tell me why you're. Women, tell me my love. Press my button. Go press my button. You're only right, boy, good. You're better, though. It's your body. Tell me why you're. When you press my buttons.
It's your girl Nicola and Amara. We're here with Sugahrhe. Tell me something about yourself, Sugahrhe.
Hey, well, normal girl, just love singing, just love chanting, so decided, let me get Bashment a try. 3 years in it now, in the final, so obviously doing something good.
Yeah, you gotta be. Tell me how you thought your performance was tonight.
I really enjoyed myself on the stage. Usually as an artist, you're in competition, you get in your head a lot, but I had a real good time on stage tonight, and I was able to showcase why I am a Bashment artist, why I can be stated as a Bashment artist, so I definitely have fun.
Well, so I know you performed at the Monarch last night,
Right.
and you probably are tired. So
Right.
how is being in two competitions? How is that for you?
It's not easy, it's time consuming, and what people don't know is that you have so many things to do, to put together, to organize so many rehearsals, and you still have to be your everyday person. I'm still a mother, I still have to work, so it's not easy. But when you have a good team and a good support system and people, a boss who is understanding, you can get anything done.
So which competition you prefer, the Bashment Soca or the Monarch? Which one is closer to your heart?
Well, I've been trying for so many years to make it to Soca Monarch. So last night was, even though I didn't make it to finals, I felt like that was an accomplishment for me. Bashment, I just want to win the crown. I just want to win the win for the women. You understand?
Come on.
Yeah. But for sure, I enjoy both.
How is it balancing motherhood? How is it balancing being an artist and being anything else other than an artist?
That's what I said, and I try to keep lines open with my kids and let them know that, you know, yes, it means mommy is not going to be home sometimes at the important times, but they understand. I have two understanding children. My son has been understanding from the beginning because I have been always singing, and he's used to be in the studio with me, so he understands. And my daughter, she does as well. She said, "Mommy, you gotta go and work." So they understand that I'm doing it for them. I'm trying to make a way for them. It's hard, it's not easy because I am a hands-on mother. I like to be there and coach them through life. So it's something that is hard to balance. But
okay, so if either your daughter or son wanted to be an artist,
for sure, 100,000%. My father was an artist.
So you can just trickle down
It's trickling down through generations, and I think not so much my son, because I'm honest, like, he would support me from behind. He would listen and tell me, "Mommy, I like this," and stuff like that. But my daughter is the performer. Anybody know my Instagram knows that my daughter is the performer. Yes, she has her own YouTube channel, voice, and all of that there. So I'm thinking that she would be more the one that will go into performing than my son.
So you would write her songs, or you would get a writer? How would you go about with that?
Well, if she was to come and say that she wanted to start, I would write her songs to start. As she grows and she knows what kind of artist she wants to be and she wants to try writers, we would do that. I support my children in whatever they want to do. I always tell them that whatever y'all want to do, as long as it's something positive, mommy there. My son is an athlete. He played cricket, football, athletics, basketball now. Yeah, so whatever they want to do, I support them.
It's probably a little tough for you to balance all of these activities and still balance
Super mom.
Supermom. I hope y'all know what Supermom is. Okay, you heard it here with Sugahrhe.
Press my buttons, don't press my buttons. Tell me what you think can happen when you press my buttons. Yo, you're watching Xclusive One Drop.